Why do we hate each other so much? Why do Muslims and Jews constantly wage war on each other? Why do the left and the right not be able to get along and demonize each other constantly? Why so much prejudice happening between races? Why is simple. We all have a Polaroid camera in our head that takes a snapshot of the people around us, the individuals and the groups. And this camera is not a very fair camera. Usually it'll take that picture at the worst possible moment, when you're really being mean, when you didn't show up for the date on time, where you were pretty unreliable, where you yourself were being judgmental because of your own Polaroid camera in your head, whatever. And so your friend, your family member, counterpart at work, they look at you in your worst moment and they take a snapshot of that with their little Polaroid camera. They spit out the picture, and that gets solidified, frozen in their head for all of eternity then, right? That one time that you didn't bring the Blockbuster video back, or nowadays I'm dating myself, but you get the idea. That one time you stole their yo-yo, or you didn't pay them back for the loan, or when you talked bad about them at the party, they took a bad picture of you. And that is now their current image of you in their mind. That is their identity, what I would call identity, their image that they have of you that they use. So every time you call them up, every time you reach out to them, every time there's a conversation, every time you even come up in discussions with other people, that prejudice comes out, right? They're not dealing with you. In fact, you walk up to them, in front of them, they don't see you. They just see their Polaroid. They just see their selfie image that they took, modern day, right? Their smartphone camera picture, whatever. That's what they see. They don't see you. They haven't seen you for ages, right? So why somebody is going to judge the other side, why there's going to be this constant opposition, wars, why there's going to be all this hate or lack of trust, at some point 20 years ago, 10 years ago, 10 minutes ago, somebody said or did something. It wasn't their best self. It wasn't their highest self. And now that Polaroid picture is governing the interaction. They have killed you a long time ago. They froze you in their mind. So how do we transform this? How do you transform this with your individual relationships? How do cultures transform? Religions transform? Different groups, how do they transform these images in other people's minds? There's a 4-step conversation that will actually cause this transformation. I've used it with clients. It is like magic. It takes a little work, but it's like magic. I'm going to link it below. Check it out. This is like the key to the kingdom when it comes to creating freedom, getting past prejudice, transforming a relationship that has been constantly fraught with upset. And it ain't perfect. Doesn't mean that we can fix everyone around us. Sometimes it's good to have a little bit of a Polaroid of what somebody did in the past so we can protect ourselves, because we know they do that again and again and again. And that's maybe to some extent fair. But if you want to make sure that you're not treated that way, that your worst self on your worst day is how these other people around you are judging you, are prejudging you, then this is the way to create freedom for yourself, for them in their relationship with you, and anything that you create together as a team, because life is a team sport. Marriage is a team sport. Families are a team sport. Business is a team sport. And so if the people on your team are constantly prejudging you and suppressing you or invalidating you due to their frozen picture in their mind, that hurts them too. Because then they can't play on a team with a team member that they fully empower because they're too busy judging you. So check it out. You could transform your relationships. You could transform your team, family, business, etc. And really, if we use this on a mass scale enough, anytime these types of things actually get resolved, like on a world scale, you can transform the world.